My name is Nicholas Otieno, and I work for an organization known as the Kenya Association for the Welfare of People with Epilepsy. Now, this year we've decided to come to Kisii to celebrate with the people in Kisii. The celebration will be about the International Epilepsy Day, which is usually celebrated on the second Monday of every February. So this year we've decided to do it in Kisii because we've worked with the Kisii County government for like a whole year since last year, and we are looking forward to having a stigma walk about epilepsy. After the walk, we will also be having a premiere and a watch party of our film, The Curse of Stigma, which really explains the challenges that persons with epilepsy are going through within the community. So this will happen on Monday, 10th February, which the walk will start at the Kisii County Cultural Hall. And we will go around the market. We will be communicating with the community, the boda guys, explaining to them why we are walking and giving information about epilepsy. So the main purpose of this walk is to empower the community and inform them that epilepsy is not a curse. Basically, we are demystifying the misconceptions and the myths that are associated with epilepsy. Myths and misconceptions that the community really believes in is that persons with epilepsy are cursed. Some people believe that these people are possessed by demons, and some people also believe that if you touch a person with epilepsy, you'll get epilepsy. Epilepsy is not a contagious disease, and it cannot be transmitted from one person to another. So persons with epilepsy should be allowed to marry or be married to persons with epilepsy or to persons without epilepsy. So it is not a disease that can be transmitted from one person to the other. So there's also those people who believe that epilepsy can be treated through witchcraft. The witches and the witch doctors are really taking advantage of persons with epilepsy, and they are making them pay a lot of money, while epilepsy can be treated at the lowest level of health facility with proper drugs and proper medication. We have situations where persons with epilepsy are also sent out of schools. We want to encourage the community to embrace these people. They be accepted in school institutions, they be accepted at workplaces, they be accepted at social places, and even in churches, because we have seen areas where persons with epilepsy are isolated and some of them are locked out, and they are locked in some room somewhere. So we are urging the families of persons with epilepsy to bring these people out so that they can be treated and they can be allowed to maximize their potential, because they have potential just like any other person within the community, and if given that chance, they can be productive within our society.